We're here at Hush Haunted Attraction in Detroit, Michigan, and Hush Haunted Attraction is known for their highly detailed sets, and new this year, their 3 hidden bars. Welcome to the Hush Falls Hotel. Are you checking in? This is the entryway to the haunted attraction. We're going to get the perspective of some guests that we're going to meet. Let's go. You all ready?
We're ready.
You go in first, and just come on down.
Welcome to the hotel. If you come right up this way, this lovely elevator here.
Oh shit.
Now we're inside. Keep your fingers away from my doors in case you want to lose them. That door is going to open up and you can head out when it does. Oh. Enjoy your stay.
But brace yourselves.
Okay. Oh. Fuck elevators. Oh! Mother. Oh. Oh. No! Oh. No. Oh.
You gonna die?
No.
Can I have your blood?
No.
A little bit.
No.
A little bit. You pointed to come out and bring it.
No blood. He's gonna move. Shut up.
Get it.
Oh!
Get it.
Is that live?
No! Hurry! The reanimation process starts soon. Hurry up! You don't want to be here when my mummy wakes.
No!
Oh boy!
It blew my hair! Oh no, she's alive!
On you.
Hi. I don't know if she's real. Whoa! No, Judo. Whoa, whoa. Look it up. What?
Join me.
That's awesome.
Join me for all eternity.
Okay. All right.
Master.
Okay.
This is my land.
Something's gonna come out of there.
No escape my evil wrath.
Oh no. Oh, is that moves, remember? Oh, it moves! That wasn't even a live one. Oh, now that's
that
live.
one is
live.
Shouldn't be messing around the catacombs.
Okay. Okay. All right, have a good day. Bye. They're like,
What was he trying to do?
wanted us to go have a bar. Oh! What is that? Ew! Oh! No! Oh! Go back in your cage. Hello. Hello. Something's gonna jump.
Such a rush. But you didn't want to stay a while? Get to know each other a little bit?
Yeah.
No, was it fun?
Come, my children!
No.
For lo, I say unto thee, hanging from the cross, the Son of the Impotent One said, the only way to conquer death is to die!
Oh.
And die you shall!
Oh! Hi.
Trick or treat.
You are candy!
Oh. This was. Uh-oh.
I'll you into here!
Go away!
I will not!
Good old.
I. Hi. No, it got fake. Hi. Hi.
The Lord God, Satan himself. Just one drop of your blood, and your soul is mine in hell.
No, no. No, no. No, no.
Cemetery.
No, no. Oh, that door's gonna open. No. Sorry. Oh! Oh! Get away from me.
Welcome home.
Hi. Hi. Oh. No! No! Mark. And that thing opens. Oh my God. Oh. That was a doozy. You're real. You're real, mother. I knew it! Mother. Look at some of your words, come on. I don't know.
Please come with me, don't worry.
I'm gonna come with
We
you.
only bite a little.
Oh, hi! It's Aaron!
Come on.
Hi!
Wipe off your feet. You just tracked through your grave. Wipe them out.
You wanna leg up?
Now wipe them. Come on, stop your toes. All right, it's your head if you get nut inside.
Okay.
Scissors.
Da.
You want to smell my
No,
butt?
no.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh.
I thought you were fake. I thought you were fake. You're so real.
Into the kitchen.
Okay. Okay. Oh, shoot.
I thought the girl sweeping was fake too.
Is it over yet? Oh.
Don't be scared. Come on in. We got some delectable human flesh for you guys today.
I don't want nothing from you. Oh!
Then keep it moving.
You got any spicy garlic?
Ah! Got my. Woo! Okay. No! What if something goes defective and somebody dies? Right now. Uh-oh.
Ooh, I like it.
Something's coming out of there! Oh. Ah! You go!
I smell fresh
Yeah.
blood.
Yeah. Oh my God! Oh, look it. It's rocking by itself.
Look at what I did! I put him up there myself. I put you up there next. That's what you sound like. Don't touch my stuff. Do it at home.
You're in Babyland.
What? You're a baby.
What a block.
Fake.
You don't want to stay.
No. Oh, you can't take me under this. This must be the addict. Hey, are we in like Baby Lala Lullaby? Uh-oh, one of them's real. Nope. Oh, I knew it! Oh no, you're real. Yeah, look at his eyes. Blink. Go. Go. God, that looked real. That looked real as Hi. Does anybody end up in there?
Hey!
Oh! Oh!
Come on!
Nope. Neither one. It hit me in the leg. Oh. Oh boy. Oh. Whoa. It's gonna be another one. Look. Oh! Get the away from me.
Why would I do that? And what about you?
No, I'm good. I'm good. Thanks. Every time I get a breather, I can't. No. Oh, stop!
Why would I? You're in the back of my garden.
Go ahead, dream about me tonight. Come on, you go first. Ooh.
Come on! You can do it! Don't get too scared now.
And that's it.
Oh, sure it is. Sure it is. Nah. Get away from me. That was awesome. Really
What
nice.
do you remember most?
The real people. Yeah.
Yes.
They're good.
Awesome. Okay.
good.
How you feeling? Feeling good?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome back. What did you think? So we got to follow through a few groups tonight and see the experience through their eyes, but we also had a chance to hide among the scare actors and get a few candid scare cam shots. Let's check those out next.
For this year, we added on the new secret bar program. There's 3 different bars, 2 of which are hidden within the attraction walkthrough. The first one is located in the Hush Falls area. That one's not a hidden bar per se, so it's kind of more like the VIP lounge where you start off your journey. And it is fully themed to go with the New Orleans Voodoo Blues is the name of the bar theme out there. And so in that one, we're also, the drinks were focused based on New Orleans stuff. So there's the Hurricane Jello shot, you're gonna see a frozen French 75, and a bourbon-based drink as well. So then your next stop is gonna be after the first zone, the first themed attraction area, which is that underneath the city temple section. And that's gonna be called Base Camp. So you actually enter that one through a large crate, like the archaeologists were packing out the artifacts from the temple. And then you kind of begin your journey through that bar, which that one's a lot different than the first one and the third one, because you stop off, grab your drink, and then you have to go on a little walkthrough, and then you go over to the actual encampment with the tents and artifacts and other stuff as well there. Your third stop is going to be the Von Rose Distillery, which is the abandoned carriage house off the front of the mansion that was kind of taken over by a clan of vampires. So you're going to have some interesting drinks there, especially one in there is going to have this one-button flower rim on it that's going to numb your mouth. There's various areas where you get to, the people in the bar are able to look out at the queue line, but also people in the queue line that didn't get access into the bars either via the bar creep pass or getting a token gifted to them, get to see in there and kind of maybe be jealous that they're not in there and hopefully entice them to come back and try it out next time. So that's probably the unique part about that bar.
Welcome back. Well, today we had great fun going through the mazes and seeing all the scare actors. We got to follow through a few guests as well to get their reactions. And we got to explore all the secret bars and learn about all of the different recipes and homemade concoctions that you can get here at Hush. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.